What? You're not. Oh. Put that 2.0. We're gonna go back. Oh, LordSpyro 598 here. We're just gonna set up the match really quick.
I'm Pixl.
This is Pixl, LordSpyro 598. We're gonna do this. And then we're gonna have all this right here. And then we're not gonna have any items on.
Yeah, turn the item off.
And then additional rules. How about just like that?
Yeah.
And then CPU level 9, handicap 1 for everyone. And now we have they have to be Ganondorfs.
No, everyone a Captain Falcon.
Okay. Captain Falcon. Okay, gotta press the B button. Whoa! Oh no! I died. Ow. What? Don't! Okay, whatever you do not touch the road when we're moving. Because it's an instant freaking kill.
Are you serious?
Punch! Ow. Punch! Exploding nipple attack.
Freaking exploding nipple attacks.
Ready? Exploding nipple attack! Exploding nipple attack. It's so funny.
Yes.
Wow. An all Captain Falcon battle. Oh! Ah! Oh, jeez.
I said,
Ah!
I said, show me your boots.
Oh, jeez. I got hit by a car. I got hit by a car. Oh, jeez. Ah! Exploding nipple attack.
I got hit by a car.
I bet no one has ever made up the term exploding nipple attack except for you, Pixl. Like, Pixl was the one who came up with the name exploding nipple attack, which is the exploding nipple attack of death.
Yeah, that's this attack. The up and B attack. I don't know if that has a real name, but that's the name I gave it because
I'm trying to show them it, but oh, they were both on the ground.
Cause
Oh jeez. Ah!
Oh.
Exploding nipple attack. Like, it's this attack. This one.
Yeah, it looks like he has exploding nipples.
Where you grab them and then explode.
Nipples!
Exploding nipple attack for the win. Ow! Ow!
They're winning.
They are winning by 2 lives. Punch! Ah! They used exploding nipple attack on me.
I killed someone and then I got killed.
Uppercut. No. Did it get hit down again?
It flew down a bit. Yes.
Exploding nipple attack. I'm gonna pause it really quick so then I can do it like this, where it looks at the whole screen. But then, how am I supposed to keep it like that? We'll be right back, but that's exploding nipple attack for you.